Darcy, I'm from MAJOR Hairdressing. I'm here with my little Alex today and we're going to do a 7-step video on how to do a messy hair. Right, step 1, I'm going to start by curling the hair. Just remember, you don't want to wash the hair on the day, preferably the day before or even the day before that, just to make sure the curls can hold. I'm going to start by putting some heat protection in the hair before I curl it. Step 2, so I'm now going to go through, now the hair's all curled, I'm now going to go through and back comb where I need a bit of volume. I'm mainly going to focus on the crown area just because that's where I mainly want the height to be. I'm using the Northampton Instant Fullness, which is like a dry shampoo. It's really good just to hold that back combing because you want something quite dry, you don't want something too wet, otherwise the back combing will just drop. I've just left this top section of hair just here so that when you brush it back over it does cover that back combing just so it gives it a nice smooth finish at the end. Right, so step 3, I'm going to take away this top section that I've back combed. I still want to leave a good amount of the hair on the underneath. Take this top section out of the way. Right, step 4. Now that that's in the ponytail, I'm going to start by pinning it into kind of this kind of position. So if I lift all the hair up, and pin it on the underneath. Right, when it comes to doing a messy bun, you don't want anything too neat. So in regards to pinning it up, you want to do it all quite loosely and quite softly. And then I'm just going to carry on by getting the slightly longer bits and just pinning them into position. You want to make sure all the hair grips are covered so you can't see any of them. Step 5, now that top section that we had all gripped up, we're now going to start with a very similar thing that we were doing before and just taking sections of the top section and joining it in and pinning it in with the rest of the hair. Right, so step 6, often people don't really know what to do with this front section, especially if you don't want it kind of all pulled off your face or anything like that, so this is what I normally do. You want to keep it really, really loose when you're doing this kind of style because it is supposed to be quite soft around the face. Start off by, you can always have a little bit of a fiddle with it and just see, because everyone's hair is very different, so just see how your hair wants to sit and how it kind of sits around the face naturally. But I'll always kind of hold it quite softly. can see kind of where it wants to go. And then I'll kind of bring it. You want to keep that curl in there a little bit so you can still see it going through the hair. So purely pin it into the back of the rest of the hair. Once you've pinned it, obviously you're going to get that kind of long tail where it's still got a curl on it. So I would then do exactly the same what you did with the rest of the hair. Kind of wrap it around your fingers, and pin it into the back. Once you're happy with how everything sits and where everything's placed, for your final step you just want to go through and just either use something like a hairspray or even like a shine spray just to keep everything in place. And as you're doing it you can kind of move the hair about a little bit more, especially around the front where the fringe is. Obviously you want to leave it a little bit loose if they've got kind of a shorter fringe or any kind of shaping around the face, just so it's not too harsh. Once you've used the hairspray, then you can just finish it off with a little bit of shine spray. I hope you found this video helpful when trying to recreate a similar look at home. I'm Darcy Major from MAJOR Hairdressing. Please like and subscribe to our channel using the red button below.